Hi everyone, let's solve this tricky math problem. Some people will start with 3 plus 7 and that's wrong. You don't start with 3 plus 7 or start with 7 divided by 5. That's wrong. And if you start with 5 times 3 then 5 times 7, that is also wrong. So you need to follow PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying that parentheses goes first. Parentheses is the highest level in PEMDAS. Notice there are 4 different levels. We do have parentheses, we don't have exponents. We do have multiplication and division. We do have addition and maybe some subtraction. So AS, both operations, addition and subtraction, are both within its own level. Same with MD, multiplication and division. And we are starting with parentheses. So what is 3 minus 7? Negative 4. Let me take a sip of my coffee here. Okay, next, I'll drop the 3 plus 7 divided by 5. So I'll write it here. Running low on ink. Use a different color then, or different marker, I mean. So we have 3 plus 7 divided by 5 times negative 4 equals. Looking back at PEMDAS, we are not starting with addition, and we are starting with division, and that's because we solved the math problem from left to right within each level. Yes, we have division and multiplication, but do not start with 5 times negative 4 because you will get the wrong answer. You start with 7 divided by 5, and yes, those two operations are both within its own level, but we solved the math problem from left to right. Don't forget that. So 7 divided by 5, what is 7 divided by 5? I don't know. So I like to write it in a fraction form, and to make the math fun and easy, 7 over 5. Next, let's drop the 3 plus down, but in the fraction form. So 3 over 1 plus, so 3 over 1 equals 3, does not change the 3. And then I'll drop the times negative 4, but in a fraction form. So negative 4 over 1 equals negative 4. So now we have this. And looking at PEMDAS, multiplication goes first, not addition. Remember, you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. So multiplication is in a higher level than addition, which is the lowest level. So we multiply across. So 7 times negative 4 is 28, right? Negative 28, right? 7 plus 7 is 14. Then you multiply that by 2. You have 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 28. So that is correct. And then what is 5 times 1? So we write, so over 5 times 1 is 5. And this cannot be broken down further. Negative 28 over 5. And now I'll erase this part we don't need, and we can erase this part as well. And let me write the 3 over 1 larger, 3 over 1 plus negative 28 over 5. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer to this tricky math problem using long division. So notice that the denominators are different. So I will use the butterfly method and I will use a different color marker. I'll use green. Let me take another sip of my coffee. Okay, so I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. And you multiply what's inside the wings, and then you write the results above the antennas, just like this. Pretty butterfly. And here's the body. 1 times 5 is 5. And here is your new denominator, 5. Next, we are going to multiply 3 times 5 which is 15. And then 1 times 28, or negative 28, is negative 28. And then we are going to, we're going to, not multiply, we're going to add 15 plus negative 28. So the addition rule, anytime you're adding two numbers with different signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. 28 is bigger than 15. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use the black marker. So 28 minus 15. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then we keep the sign of the bigger number. So we write negative. So it's negative 13. So that is our numerator. Negative 13 over 5 cannot be broken down further. So this is your improper fraction answer, because the top number is bigger and the bottom number is smaller. So if it was the other way around, it would be called a proper fraction, if it was 5 over negative 13. But we don't have that. We have an improper fraction answer. Now let's move on to division. To figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer. So I'll write the answer here. The first answer is negative 13 over 5. And then I'll write the mixed number answer here, and then the mixed number answer here, and the decimal answer here. All right, so here's the long division symbol, and I'll use a different color. So here is 13 goes inside, that's the dividend, and the 5 is the divisor that goes outside. You can fit 5 into 13 twice, and then you multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, and then you subtract 13 minus 10, which is 3, and you cannot fit 5 into 3, so the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 13 and a decimal after the 2. Write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 30. You can fit 5 into 36 times, right? Because 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 minus 30 is 0. So your decimal answer is negative 2.6, and your mixed number answer, the whole number is 2. The remainder, which is 3, goes above the fraction bar, and the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to join the smartest community on YouTube. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And if you got the right answer, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.